Hey, good morning guys and welcome to the next week trading. My name is Lester. Today on this video, I'm gonna share with you another turbo strategy for binary options. As you know, I prefer turbo strategy for binary options, the simple methods, simple steps to follow, because with binary options, the time is so important. So we need to have quickly strategies, but writable strategies. So in this video, I'm going to share with you this turbo strategy for binary options. And I think this is for beginners too. This is a simple steps to follow and simple steps to generate profit with binary options. So let's rock with this video. Hey guys, I'm gonna introduce you this turbo strategy for binary options, and for this only we're gonna use in two indicators. One, moving average, period 20, exponential moving average. I have the color white, and you can select the color that you prefer, but I have to the stochastic oscillator, and I like using both indicators to know what direction I need to take it for the next signals for me. The settings for the stochastic oscillator will be 84 overbuy and 24 oversold. So the strategy is simple. We need to follow the simple steps that I'm going to share with you right now, and it is we are going to trade for a call, and the moment the moving average period 20 exponential moving average, the chart crossing going up, and the stochastic oscillator touching and going up to with the period 20. That is two signals to recognize to trade for a call and a good moment, a good period with these two strategy for binary options. This means we need to trade for 3 minutes too. The chart, we are going to see it in 1 minute, period in 1 minute. And we are going to trade for 3 minutes with this turbo signal for binary options. And remember, we need to have these signals before to take it or enter the trade with your real money. We need to respect the rules of this strategy to have a writable trading session with this turbo strategy. Just like I can say, this is a strategy for beginners because it's the steps or the methods are so simple to follow. The indicators are simple to understand, and the broker is going to help you to understand or make it more simple and writable your trading session. But what we need to avoid, we need to avoid a volatile market, unstable market, the triple news or the 3 news. And for that, we can have a writable trading session if we follow these simple steps with the broker. In this moment, pocket option. Right now, I'm gonna have a live trading session. Let's go to taking a few signals with this turbo strategy that I tested in the last days. Let's go to make it up or explain this example. I take it for a call here, just a little later actually, because the good moment to trade was this one here. But I decided to take it for 3 minutes, and it was a trade for 3 minutes for $1,000. And why I decided this? The stochastic oscillator touched it and going up. We have a good signal, but maybe you think right now, why you don't trade for a put right now? Look, the stochastic oscillator. Yes, you have a right, but we don't have the moment the crossing our moving average period 20 exponential moving average. To trade for a put, we need to have the chart cross it going down, and the stochastic oscillator crossing going down too. With that 2 indicators working for us, send me that 2 signals, we are gonna trade for a put, or contrary can be for a call like this. Another example here, cross it going up, we trade for a call for 3 minutes. The time frame to trade is for 3 minutes, 3 minutes. So let's go to have a live trading session right now. I'm gonna leave it with this video. This is newest turbo strategy for binary options, and I think it's simple to use it. It's simple to understand. Someone of you sometimes don't know how to follow my another strategy, so I have another turbo strategy with more time frame to trade. And my advice is always be trade, follow the trend. Just see the big picture to know what type of trade we have. Here we trade for a call. We have a stronger green candles. I don't see a high volatile, high point with a high low with different candles. So I decided to trade for a call, and was a good decision. And right now we have the first one in the morning today. Let's go to have a live trading session with this super strategy, and wish me good luck. I hope so. This strategy can be more writable for you and understand and making it more simple your trading session or your trading career with this strategy. I don't know if this strategy can be only for pocket option. Right now, just testing it with pocket option. I'm gonna make another videos using it with the broker FOREX. Right now, just trading with this. I like a trade with moving average. If you notice, I like a trade a lot with moving average with the broker pocket options. So I'm gonna stop right now with this live trading session with the broker pocket option and this strategy. I just tested it. I noticed half a volatile market. We need a more stable market. Maybe in this hour we have a news, so for that reason it's better to stop it and see how ending the next week. I hope this video can help you put this strategy in practice using your paper money, using your demo account, testing it in different hours. Right now are 15 GMT. I think we have it's ending the news, so we can have a volatile market. The war affect all the markets always, but I believe with this strategy we can have a writable trading session. Follow the simple steps, and I hope this video like it. Leave your comments below this video, and see you in the next web.